Up first this evening, police investigators are theorizing that the full value of Tuesday's massive seizure of US and Canadian currency notes in St. James will be higher than initially suspected. In an update to our newsroom today, Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of crime, Fitz Bailey, said the money was still being counted. He confirmed that millions of US and Canadian currency notes were seized and investigators are carrying out a careful count to arrive at a final figure. It's now believed that the cash amounts to more than $7 million US dollars. There were initial reports elsewhere that it was in the region of $5 million US dollars. The money was seized on Tuesday during an anti-narcotics operation at a house in Coral Gardens. The owner of the house was taken into custody. Yesterday, the police reported that the owner was the subject of a U.S. extradition request in 2005. A motor vehicle, which was intercepted in the vicinity of the property on Tuesday, was searched and 24 pounds of cocaine with a street value of $85 million was seized. Now, the driver of that vehicle was detained.